Guys and gals, took me about 30 maybe 40 minutes and got that engine there all off. Got it sitting over here on the ground, and shouldn't be that much longer and I'm going to be having that Harbor Freight Predator engine on this lawnmower. Get this thing up and going and get that tire all aired up. And yes, I'm using some, I think these are maybe some 3-ton jack stands, but they are not Harbor Freight because I've had them for several years now and I ain't gotta ever have to worry about them. So I'll keep videotaping and giving y'all an update.